Taskade tutorial, how to use Taskade for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Taskade. Taskade is an AI-powered tool that allows you to build your own AI automations, manage your tasks and projects, add maps, as well as use AI chat and AI agents. So let's get started with Taskade. Now, Taskade has several different purposes. You can use it for project management, as a marketing assistant, for content creation, workflow automation, writing assistance, task management for agencies, mind maps, and AI agent teams as well. So click on sign up for free on the top right to get started with Taskade. Once you do that, click on sign up with Google or sign up with your email address, whatever you prefer. I'm just signing up with Google over here because it's easier. And once I proceed with my account over here, you will see this is what my Taskade space looks like. Now, I'm going to sign up to a brand new account so you guys can see the basic empty account. So over here, it has logged me on to Taskade. I'm just going to go on ahead and sign up for free. And now I'm just going to sign into Taskade over here. And once we do that, we will have our basic onboarding. So why we want to use Taskade, as well as the basic operation that we would want to do. After that, you can start with AI. You can either deploy an AI agent, generate an AI project, or import a file or URL. So it really depends on how you want to get started. Now, I want to generate an AI project, and I'm just going to click on continue. From here, you can proceed with entering your goal, task, or your project. So for us, I want to launch a new, let's say, moisturizer or sunscreen with my brand Spencer. I need to build a full marketing campaign, including FB ads, Insta ads, and YouTube ads with influencer promos like this. And then I'm just going to change this view at the bottom to a board view. That is just because I personally prefer a board view for my projects. You can also go with mind maps, tables, or charts. And then you can upload any relevant files, add links, and choose the language. Now, you have two options, whether you want to enable to generate an agent with your project or not. I want to generate an AI assistant agent. And now my project and agent are being created. You guys can see it has basically created a basic project outline for me. So I have a to-do list, in progress list, review list, completed list. And now the agent is also being created in the meanwhile. But before we get into the basics of the project, let's get started with our dashboard. So this is what your Taskade dashboard is going to look like. On your top right, you will have this menu bar, you have Taskade AI, and you can create agents. If you click on your Taskade AI, you can basically converse with it like you would converse with any AI model. Then on your left, you have a search bar. Below that, you have a Recents tab, My Tasks, which will filter out all of your tasks that are present in any workspace. And you have filters on the left menu bar. After that, you will have a calendar, which allows you to see any tasks that are scheduled within the next month. Once you do that, you can move towards the Start tab, which allows you to see any start project or tasks. Then we will have our actual workspace. So by default, you will have a workspace that is created. You can click on Create Workspace to build a separate one, but on the free plan, you can only create one workspace. Now I'm going to click on Edit, and I'm going to rename this into Spencer. And then I can add a smiley as the icon. I'm just going to use a makeup or lipstick as the icon. So I have just added the basics of the particular project. So I've added the icon. We will have a home space on the left. Now, within your home space, you will see all the information about your projects, your AI agent, your AI teams, automations, and media. Now, to further organize information, you can click on New Folder and categorize info. So let's say this is going to be for my YouTube marketing. I'm going to add YouTube marketing over here, mark it with this red color, and I'm going to make this viewable or editable for anyone that is in the Spencer workspace. After that, we can click on Share Link to share this and share permissions as well. but I'm just going to close that. Now within that, I can build different projects, and you can build within one larger workspace, you can build different folders, and within each folder, you can build different projects. So our home tab has this particular project, which I'm going to delete, and I'm actually going to get started with my marketing project here. And I can actually filter out different types of projects. So if I have anything such as HR related functions, I will create a separate folder for HR, and then I can build my HR projects over here. So I'll show you guys two different examples. We're going to go with YT marketing and click on create with AI. And we want to build ads for YouTube shorts for our new sunscreen. We need a storyboard, and visuals for the ad. Now I'm going to convert this into a board view, and I'm not going to create an agent for this. I'm just going to generate the basic project outline. And you guys can see it is now generating everything for me. So it has generated visuals as well as text and voiceovers, product shots, as well as music, recommendations. So I'm going to click on create project. Once I click on create project over here, we can just proceed, and I'm just going to go into this project here. And if I click on this, you guys can see this is a really large project that has been added. So a story and a key message has been added. I'm just going to close the AI tool here like this so we can actually see our entire space. Now, you guys can see it has created different sections such as visual, storyboard, and more. Now I can click on add block to add more blocks depending on whatever info bits I want to add. Additionally, you can do this with other types of fields. So if I want to create with AI, build a hiring board to find candidates for our open position of marketing intern. And now it's going to basically put a complete setup or a complete board which I can use to manage my hiring and firing. Not only that, but my agent will be created, and this agent can help me in determining what would be the best fit for my team. So we have team roles, details, final selection, interview process, job postings, application reviews, interview, and details about each step are included within this as well. Now, if I go into my AI agent, I can click on Start Agent, and I want this to maybe be a task manager. And now I can name this agent whatever I want. I can add the commands, instructions, tools, and languages that it is going to use, and then I can chat with that agent whenever I need help. We can also build complete AI teams and use automations. We can click on Create Automations to build automations for different notifications, marketing, content creation, as well as notifications. So this is how you can get started with Taskade. You can also go on ahead and use Taskade Pro to create unlimited AI usage with custom AI agents, live memory and knowledge, and integrations with favorite tools. You also can go for Taskade for Teams, which is $16 per user per month, which has multi-agent teams, unlimited workspaces, and much, much more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.